Why every luxury brand wants an Indian celebrity right now? Rolex, Bulgari, Chanel, Cartier, all are signing Indian celebrities. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Lux Insider with Anita Khatri. Priyanka Chopra has just been announced as a Rolex testimony. Now here's what caught my attention. She's already a global ambassador for Bulgari, and if you have been following luxury over the last few years, you will notice a much bigger pattern. Deepika Padukone with Cartier, Alia Bhatt with Gucci, Sonam Kapoor with Dior, Ananya Pandey with Chanel, Isha Ambani appearing at global luxury events alongside the biggest names in fashion. And talking about the friends of the Maison, Janvi Kapoor for Baume & Mercier, Ananya Pandey for Piaget, Smriti Mandana for Rado. So here's the question. Why are the most powerful luxury brands putting Indian faces at the forefront for their global strategy? And trust me, the answer has very little to do with the social media followers. The luxury industry doesn't think like other industries. One of the biggest misconceptions people have is that luxury brands choose ambassadors the way consumer brands do. They don't. Luxury brands think in decades, not quarters. When a brand like Rolex appoints someone, they are not looking for the biggest celebrity of the moment. They are looking for someone who embodies achievement, excellence, and longevity. That's why Rolex ambassadors have historically included Olympic champions, artists, explorers, filmmakers, and cultural icons. Rolex is not borrowing fame. Rolex is associating itself with people who represent excellence in their field. That's a very important distinction. Why India matters more than ever. Now let's talk about the real story India. For the last 20 years, luxury brands have been asking, will India become important? That question has now been answered. The answer is yes, finally. Today, India is one of the fastest growing luxury markets in the world. But what many people don't realize is that luxury brands aren't excited about India because of today's sales. They are excited about India's future consumers. The average luxury consumer in India is significantly younger than in many mature markets. There is a growing base of entrepreneurs, a growing HNIs and ultra HNIs population, a growing watch collector community, and perhaps most importantly, a growing aspiration for global luxury. When CEOs sit in Geneva, Paris, or Milan and look at growth opportunities for the next decade, India is now firmly on that map. The ambassador strategy has changed. What's fascinating is how ambassador strategy itself has evolved. 10 years ago, an ambassador appeared in a campaign. Today, ambassadors help brands enter conversations. Think about it. When Priyanka attends an event wearing Rolex, she isn't just wearing a watch. She's introducing the brand to audiences across Hollywood, Bollywood, entrepreneurship, entertainment, and culture. Luxury brands are today competing for its relevance and not just visibility. And relevance is often more powerful than advertising. What most people are missing. Here's the part that I think most headlines are missing. This isn't a celebrity story. This is a market story. When Deepika joins Cartier, when Alia joins Gucci, or when Ananya joins Chanel, when Priyanka joins Rolex, luxury brands are sending a signal. They are saying India is no longer emerging luxury market. It is an important market. India is becoming a market that helps shape global luxury culture. That is a very different position. And from what I have seen at Watches and Wonders, luxury summits, and global industry events, the conversations around India are only getting louder. The real question is how many more Indian celebrities will get in conversation with global luxury brands? Because last few years are just an indication. We are just getting started. Thank you very much for watching this episode. Please leave your comments if you enjoyed watching the episode. Do not forget to press the like button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe it now.